Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about the best practices when selling on Messenger. Let's get started. Do you have products that you are selling on your Facebook shop? Are you also selling products using an e-commerce website? Do you know that it is important to leverage Facebook Messenger to promote your products and increase your conversion? Businesses must find different strategies that can help their products be known to potential customers, attract people with their promotions, and increase their sales. They can do this using better leverage than most people enjoy using, which is Facebook Messenger. More people are using Messenger to engage with businesses, so use it to your business advantage. Your business can have more clients through Messenger. First, respond to all messages. Most consumers are looking to purchase from businesses that can help them find what they are looking for. Online purchases are common, that consumers prefer to buy products from businesses that respond fast to their messages and inform them if the products that they are looking for are in stock or available. They want every transaction to be completed fast, as they have more things to do with their time. Once they find the right business that responds to their inquiries, they can choose your business and become one of your loyal customers. Setting up your automated responses on Messenger can help you respond to all the messages that your business receives on your behalf, giving you time to respond to their inquiries right away. Next, treat all inquiries as leads. If a user asks anything, even if it's not about the products that you are selling, respond to them politely. Make time to respond to them as if you are speaking to a regular customer. Some buyers need time to make a purchasing decision. If they remember that your business responds to their inquiries right away, there will come a time that they will need to purchase products that you offer, and they will choose your business over your competitors. If you're one of the businesses that responds fast to anyone's inquiries, your business is more likely to gain customers because of your fast response. Next, share people who are recommending your products. You can ask people who have purchased and tried your products to share feedback as a post on their timeline. This will allow their friends to learn about your products. Since they know this person, their friends can view their post about the product that they have bought from your business, and it can create curiosity with their friends. Your regular customers can recommend your business to their friends through the post that they share. You can use their post as an image to share with your leads via Messenger. Make sure to share this content only with people who are interested to receive this content that is relevant to your business. You cannot send this content to random people on Facebook or your friends list. They might just ignore it. Next, build people's trust. You can gain your potential customers' trust when you engage with them and share information where they can learn something from. Your business will create a lasting impression with your potential customers. They will be grateful for the educational content you shared, or you can entertain them in a way that can help them brighten their day with inspirational words. You want your customers to feel warm with your business so that they can trust you. Customers choose businesses that give them time to answer their inquiries, engages with them, or remembers them when a promotion is currently ongoing. Next, use a chatbot. You can use different chatbots that are available on the market. You can use free or paid subscriptions depending on what features that you need for your marketing strategies. Chatbots can help your business automate the messages that consumers want to receive from your business. The bot can help them find what products or services they are looking for, and it can help convert your leads into customers. Using Facebook Messenger as you sell your products or services is a great marketing strategy to implement in your business. You can increase conversions by responding fast to Messenger inquiries as well. If you want to automate the responses from your Facebook page, we have a marketing app that can help you grab leads without an opt-in form and send automated messages that gets near 100% open and click-through rates. It is the first Facebook-based autoresponder that you can find on the market. With Site Contact, your leads can subscribe to your list without an opt-in form. They can even subscribe with just a click of a button. You can send welcome messages, send message broadcast to reach all your subscribers. You can reach your audience both on mobile device and on their computer. It supports scheduling message broadcast to save you time, so you can send your messages to your subscribers anytime you want. Site Contact can benefit Facebook advertisers, e-commerce sellers, brands, product vendors, Facebook fan page owners, or even content creators. Site Contact is perfect for any marketer. Site Contact allows you to reach the market that you think was only possible with email marketing. To try Site Contact now, go to the URL getsitecontact.in and start receiving the benefits of Site Contact to grow your list faster, get better reach, and get more clicks. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.